Hi, it's me, Tonau, and I just made this video to show you how I made this, the Push Patch, the Push Patch.
The Push Patch.
Oh, come on, you don't speak a good English. Push Patch. Okay, never mind. I will try to show you the whole process and why I just made it. So, check it out. Since early 2018, I work on a fab lab near Paris and we just got this new embroidery machine. I had never seen one before, but for sure, I was in charge to learn how to use it properly. For its first test, I was wondering about making something that I could use at this annual Ableton Live convention that I was going. So I decided to make a Push Patch. I got our brand new embroidery machine, a jacket that I found deep inside of my wardrobe, and the thing that I spend the most part of my time with, my push. Also got sewing thread, embroidery stabilizer, and some black fabric. To start the whole thing, I just got a nice picture of the push on internet, something that I could draw easily, like this one.
And there's no secret to this. Anybody can paint.
And then I vectorized the outlines, drawing square by square. It's kind of important to have each element separately. That's how you can set the colors. After that, I threw everything inside of the embroidery machine software and made some simulations. You need to define things like the order of sewing or the direction of the lines. When it was done, I started the practical part of the work. So I cut this curtain that I found it. It was actually the backdrop of our stage. So sorry, my bad. I used 3 layers to be sure that it will be as rigid as possible. Fabric, a stabilizer, and another layer of fabric, like a sandwich.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Be sure to not tie the frame too much, because if you do it, maybe you can find some warpiness at the end. And then, finally, at the first try, everything went wrong. I was forced to open the machine to see what's going on, and then I found this blocking the needle.
Damn!
I got all the pieces back in place and now the machine works flawlessly. As you can see, it looks like magic. The second try went very well. But you need to change the thread for each color, that's why you need to stay babysitting the machine while through the process. I was very happy at the end. It was late at night because it took like 125 minutes to make this thing. At the next morning, I finally put it out of the frame. When you look it closer, you can see the warp caused by the tightness of the fabric inside of the frame, but it's not that dramatic. I clean up the sides a little bit more, and then voila! Not bad for the first try.
Not bad, not bad.
I sew it up on my jacket and I was ready to go. I had a lot of fun making this thing. I never had too much expectation, but I just met a lot of people because of this patch. If you like this video, you can subscribe, it helps us a lot. If you like DIY stuff, finger drumming, sampling. I'll really try to make things like this more often. There's a lot of things already at the channel if you want to check it up. It's me, Tonao. See you next time. Thank you very much for watching.